Good morning, my friends. Here is African Mama's Kitchen early this morning. I woke up early morning to prepare a very good delicacy for an Asian friend. I told you we are international. So I'm making red snapper Asian style. So what we're gonna make it, and she's gonna eat it with yam. So Nigerian yam, that's what she's gonna eat it with. So what we have this morning, the main ingredients, which is the red snapper already seasoned. So when I saute it, it's gonna be so nice. Red bell pepper, green bell pepper to use to garnish the sauce they like in worry. The yam she's gonna eat it with. Have red onions, I have the white onions, I have celery, habanero pepper, jalapeno pepper, tomatoes, little garlic, onions, and salt. Okay, so I'm gonna be, she's coming to pick up right now, so I'm gonna be going to the kitchen to drop it down. I already cut the yam, so I'm gonna drop it in the pot so it can start cooking. Okay. So while I'm getting ready to round up with the fish, I will always keep you guys updated. So this fish, like I showed you, I'm gonna saute the fish a little bit and it's on the stove. Give it this nice crunchy taste. Wow. Actually, truthfully, this is my first time of cooking the red snap. So they are international. So I'm making the red snapper for Asian. So any culture, I'm international, come on, African Mama's Kitchen will drop it down for you. Okay? So I'm gonna put a little garlic to the top, just very little oil. Put the garlic, a little bit. My onion. Wow. I will drop in the tomatoes. Right? This Asian style of red snapper fish cooking. Jalapeno peppers. A little Maggi. Drop in my fish, sauteed fish, into this little sauce. Okay? You looking good? Fish is in. Then I'm gonna put a little water. Why I look at my yam? Oh, the yam is doing good. That's how the yam does. The yam is doing good. So I'm gonna pour some hot water. Just get hot ready to continue boiling. So right now, I'm gonna let the fish cook. Then after the fish cooks, then I'll add bell peppers in. Okay? All my friends, this is the final product of this early morning breakfast, Asian style of red snapper. Wow, looking good. You can also eat it with yam or rice, or you can eat the soup just like that. But this is red snapper fish. Wow. Meet you in the next episode. Thank you.